So, let's talk about future proofing your career. The one topic on everyone's mind: artificial intelligence. We're going to cut through all the noise and give you a real, actionable roadmap: 7 completely free courses that can help you get a handle on AI. Let's dive right in. I'll start with a pretty direct question. Are you actually prepared for the AI revolution? Because it's not coming, it's already here and it's completely reshaping the job market. So the real question isn't if you need to adapt, it's how you're going to use this massive shift to your advantage. Okay, get this. According to a Z Business report, jobs related to AI in India shot up by 38% in just the last year. Now, that is not a slow, gradual change. That's a lightning fast transformation of an entire industry. And just to put that 38% into perspective, look at this. During that same time, your traditional tech jobs, they only grew by about 8%. That means AI jobs are growing nearly 5 times faster. The numbers are telling a very, very clear story about where the world of tech is headed. And it's not just about how many jobs there are, it's about the pay. A global study by PwC found a 56% wage premium for people with AI skills. What does that mean? It means for the exact same job title, somebody with AI skills is earning way more than their colleague without them. That is a huge incentive to learn the stuff. And to make that real, just look at these median salaries in India based on CNBC data. I mean, we're seeing roles like AI consultant and AI researcher getting close to 1 crore rupees. This is what it looks like to be on the cutting edge of a market that is absolutely booming. All of this insane demand has created this huge skills gap. The industry is just growing way faster than people can be trained, and India is expected to need 1 million more AI-skilled workers by 2027. That gap? That's not a problem. That's a massive opportunity for anyone ready to learn. So, how do you grab that opportunity? Well, we've laid out a simple 4-step journey. We're going to start with the absolute foundation, then get the core toolkit, move on to actually applying it, and finally, we'll talk about hitting that next level. First things first, the foundation. And that foundation, believe it or not, is mathematics. It's literally the language that AI is written in. To really truly master AI, you have to be able to speak its language. And hey, don't just take my word for it. The pioneers, companies like Google, list math as a core prerequisite. They draw a really clear line. Sure, you can use AI without it, but you can't actually build with it or really deeply understand it. So, what kind of math are we talking about? Well, it boils down to 5 key areas: algebra, linear algebra, trigonometry, statistics, and calculus. Think of these as the bedrock for all the cool algorithms that make AI work. To help you get that foundation solid, our first recommendation is a great free course from Geeks for Geeks called Math for Machine Learning. It's a fantastic starting point that covers these essentials, and it's designed specifically for people who want to become developers. Okay, once that math foundation is in place, we're on to step 2, getting the core toolkit. This is all about learning the main programming language for AI, and, just as importantly, getting a big picture view of what AI can and can't do. Now, the go-to programming language for pretty much all things AI is Python. It's super powerful, but also surprisingly friendly for beginners. A perfect place to start is IBM's free course on Coursera, Python for Data Science and AI Development. It teaches you exactly what you need to know. But beyond just the code, you need to understand the concepts. And for that, there's nothing better than AI for Everyone, which is taught by an absolute legend in the field, Andrew Ng. It's not technical, and it does a brilliant job of explaining what AI is all about. Honestly, this is essential viewing. All right, this is where it gets really fun. We've got the theory down, so now we move to step 3, practical application. It's time to stop just learning and start actually building things and solving problems with these incredible AI systems. To really work with tools like ChatGPT, you have to learn a new skill called prompt engineering. Just think of it like learning how to ask the perfect question. The better and clearer your instructions are, the better the AI's answer will be. It's the real key to unlocking its power. And who better to learn from than the people who actually made it? OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, actually co-created a free course on this. It's called ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. It's only about 90 minutes long, and you learn everything straight from the source. Next, to make your learning a bit more hands-on and creative, check out AI Coding 101 with Replit. It's totally project-based, so you'll be using a simple tool right in your browser to build fun stuff like little games and chatbots almost immediately. And for when you're ready to start building your own custom tools, OpenAI has another free course on using the ChatGPT API. This is the big leap. This is how you go from just using ChatGPT to weaving its power into your very own apps and systems. So we've covered the foundation, the tools, and the hands-on skills. This final step is for those of you who want to go even deeper, to really specialize. This is where you go from being someone who uses AI to someone who's an AI expert. So our final recommendation is the machine learning specialization on Coursera. Now, this is the big one. It was co-created by Stanford University. It's a much bigger commitment. We're talking about 80 hours total. But this course gives you that rock-solid foundation for advanced topics and is really your path to becoming a master in the field. And there you have it, a clear, step-by-step path into one of the most important fields in the world right now. The numbers show the opportunity is absolutely massive, and these 7 courses give you all the tools you need to grab it. And they're all free. So the only question left is, what are you going to build first?